welcome to MK Tutorials, and today we are going to be opening little fidget boxes. You all ready? Let's get to it. Now this one is so cute. I keep on accidentally doing that. I want to open it so bad. I wonder what is in there. This one is like really big of a mini fidget box, and it makes a lot of noise. And I've let it down to the 3 eggs. This egg, this glittery egg, and this egg. And I chose this egg. So let's open it up first. He lost his eyeball. But it's a hairy monkey noodle. Decent. Okay, I'm going to put it back into its cage so that we can get to the next one and not have a humongous mess. Okay, now I've went up to this one. Oh, well, it has another monkey noodle in it. Yay! Ugh. Ew, now it tastes monkey noodle. Oh my gosh, the heart fell off it. Doesn't need that thing anyway. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. Oh yay, it's another monkey noodle. It's a mini one. Ow. Can you quit going into my mouth, monkey noodles? Okay, I want to do this one. I see little hairs coming out. Is it another hairy monkey noodle? How many monkey noodles are we going to get today? But it's a little dinosaur. Oh, did you all see it good? Okay, we have this one, but I want to save it for last. Okay, let's open up this one. It's a very dirty mochi. I think someone opened it and dropped it on the floor. These things are not very protected. The fidget people need to fix these because they're not good at it. I can't figure out how to get this thing back in. How did they get that in? Good enough. Okay, I want to save this one for the last part of the video. And I bought this at the store. Oh my gosh, why is it hard as a rock? That is so hard. Okay. One sec, guys. Okay, so I got some lotion that I do not use. Okay, I'm just going to set it right there first. Okay? What was that? Okay. And I'm going to flatten it out. Now, one sec, guys. I'm just going to do this off camera. So, got the lotion bottle. Okay. I'm done. I put the lotion in. Ew, this isn't going to turn out well, is it? Ew, I think I put a little too much lotion. But it's playing out well. It is just getting my hands like soggy. That's gross. Hey, it's starting to form. Okay, well, it formed out. Well, it's starting to. Oh, it's like regular slime. And guys, if you ever do this, don't use lotion that you use. I don't use the other lotion that I just used too, so I'm just gonna put it in there and Let it lift the lifetime for a bit. Okay, now my hands are very lotiony, but I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna go wipe them off on a towel. BRB. Bro, where's my towel? I swear I have one in here. Oh, it's right here. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I'm just gonna let that have some time. Okay, I'm gonna go put the lotion. Okay, guys, it's time to open the last thing. It's so noisy. Bruh. I think they gave us a fidget box. You hear that? I don't know if you all can hear it. It's on a camera, but thanks for watching. Bye, guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.